Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process on how to change the name of your homepage in WordPress. Whether you're updating your site's branding or just making a small adjustment, this method is quick and easy to follow. To get started, open your web browser and visit your WordPress website. Log in using the account you want to manage, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the WordPress Dashboard. From there, navigate to the Pages section and select the page you've set as your home page. This will open the Site Editor, where you can customize your page layout and settings. On the right-hand side of the editor, locate the page that is currently assigned as your home page. Click the three-dot menu next to it to reveal more options, then select Rename. A small dialog box will appear. Simply enter your new homepage name and confirm the change. Don't forget to save your updates, then refresh your website to see the new homepage title live. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the name of your WordPress homepage. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.